Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna talk about something very different. It's still about yield farming, but it's yield farming in a very different way, or at least on something that you would never think you would be able to yield farm on, and that is precious metals. But wait, this is a crypto channel, so why are we gonna talk about gold or silver or platinum? Well, let me tell you why. Because now there's a platform that is merging two worlds, completely separate worlds together, which is the precious metal world, which in my opinion, or at least for me, how I'm used to see it, it was a very old way of investing your money or making your money safe, making your capital safe. And the other way, which is the absolute opposite, it's sometimes seen at YOLOing your money to something that is non-tangible, that does not exist. So this company called Aurus, they reached out to me saying that they had this new platform where you could buy digital precious metals. So basically gold, silver, and platinum. And I was kind of curious because outside of crypto, I also have my other investments. I do invest in stocks, and also I'm hedging on gold and silver. If you don't know what hedging is protecting your capital from a collapse, or like if the stock market crashes, what usually tends to happen is gold and precious metals, they tend to maintain their value. Sometimes they can also go up in value. This is called hedging, or being protected to the downfall of your investments. It was very interesting for me to hear that now we have some sort of digital asset of something tangible, which is gold and silver and platinum. So I started talking to them, I started messaging back and forth with someone over there, and what I was basically told is that Aurus was already in the precious metal business, and they decided to revamp their business and to unite both worlds, creating of course a way for you to buy and sell these precious metal, but with the power of blockchain. So of course they do have the vaults, they do possess these assets. So for every token you buy, they are pegged to a certain amount of grams of gold or silver or platinum, and it is in the blockchain. And the best thing about it is that, in my opinion, it's way better to just buy gold or just buy silver, because once you do buy those precious metals, what are you gonna do? You're just gonna keep them somewhere safe. You're just gonna put them in a vault or in a safe, and you're just gonna forget it. And eventually the price of gold or the price of silver, since there's a limited supply of gold, silver, and platinum and all other metals, they will tend to increase in value. So their value are gonna go up. But with these tokens, you can stake them and farm them. So you can get extra rewards on something that otherwise would just be sitting there waiting for its value to appreciate. But how do you do that? But before we do that, let me go get some coffee and I'll be right back. Much better. So let's keep going. So what would you basically do is you would go to their website, which is Aurus.io, Aurus right here, and you can buy precious metal directly from them. And it says right here, tokenized gold, tokenized silver, and tokenized platinum. And you can buy straight from them. You can use Euro, USD, GBP, and USDT. You can also use any of these other partners that they have. And by the way, you can also buy them from your phone. They have an app for Android for now, but they told me that the iOS version is almost ready to be released. So once you buy from them, you will create your account. And a very good thing that I was very excited about is that once you already have your account and the tokens already on your digital wallet, you can ask for them to send you a cold storage wallet. They call it a vault. So I actually received one just today. You can basically take the tokens from your digital wallet and send it to your cold storage wallet. Let me tell you, this thing is pretty. I got it today. Let me show you the unboxing. Yeah, so I'm trying this top view right here. Let's open it up and see. It says gold, silver, platinum vault card. Activate your card. And here we have our card. So it says invite your friends to use the Aurus Vault card and receive $10 worth of Aurus gold for every referral. And this is the card. It's very pretty. It's a little bit see-through right here, as you can see. Yeah, see, a little bit of see-through. Still have that little glue right here. Let me take it off. Yes, it's pretty. And this is a vault card, so it's like a cold storage for your gold, silver, and platinum. Oh yeah, very pretty overall. I like the look of it right here. 7,722. I think that's how many were made so far. So you can see very slick, nice looking card. And again, basically a cold storage for your tokens. And then you might tell me, why would someone buy a tokenized version of gold, silver, or platinum? Well, let me tell you why. If you believe that the market is in a bubble right now, the crypto market is going to crash soon, well, I think this is a good opportunity for you. Why? Because gold tends to be reliable and stable. It's not a very volatile asset. So once you buy it, it's not gonna go to the moon, but it's also not gonna melt. So if you believe the crypto market is about to experience a burst of the bubble, if you think this is going to happen, well, gold, silver, and platinum are probably gonna be a good solution for you to hedge your position. So, and another thing is, you can see right here that it's 100% backed by precious metal. So it's not just a token saying that is representing something, it is actually representing something. One token always represents 99.99% of 1 gram of actual gold, silver, or platinum, and you can trace the assets at any time. But then, okay, we have it. You have it in your wallet. What do you do with it if you don't want to put it in the vault? Well, you can stake the silver. Let me show you how you can stake the silver to make a very good return on your investment. So what you have to do, you have to come to Moonfarm, which is moonfarm.finance. They are a yield aggregator. We're already used to see dApps like this here in this channel. Basically, you just create an account right here. It's pretty simple. Once you've done that, you will see right here we have a yield farming tab. Once you click on it, you can see we have a bunch of different networks, but what we're interested in is Aurus. Once you click right here, you will see we have 3 major pools. One of them is AWS, which is the Aurus token for silver, and ETH. So this AWS ETH is an LP token, and you can earn AWX. AWX is the DeFi token of Aurus. So it's basically the native token for the Aurus platform. And then we also have a Moonfarm token that you can stake it and earn AWX, and you can stake just your silver to earn AWX. And the good thing is the APYs are huge. If we compound 300% weekly, we get 1700% APY. So 17 times your investment in 1 year. And if we do the other one, which is 80, we get 121% APY, which is huge. But let's go back to this. How do we do this? You can see right here that the end date is set to December the 12th, but they told me that they're gonna extend this period because this was the first pool that they were trying out, and since it had a lot of approval from the investors, they're gonna extend this date right here. So let me show you how we can create this LP token right here, AWS and ETH. It's very easy. First of all, we have to go to Quick Swap. Once you already have the same amount of AWS and ETH, which is basically you just go on swap, paste the contract address for AWS, which I'm gonna leave right here in the description, both for AWS then for AWX, because if you buy one of those, you can swap between them. Once you have AWS and you have ETH, it's pretty easy. Just go on pool, you just paste right here the contract for AWS, is gonna find it, you put max and you put ETH. So I'm gonna do max ETH, and it's gonna tell me, and it's gonna show me the max amount of AWS. I'm gonna approve this. I approved it. Now I'm gonna supply, confirm supply. Once you've created your LP token, you're not gonna be able to see it on your MetaMask. You can see right here, I can see my AWS ETH, the LP pair, but you won't have it. You have to import it manually, and I'll leave the link of the contract down below for the LP token. Once you have that, you're gonna come back to the Moonfarm Finance. You're gonna click on My Wallets, scroll all the way down to, let me see if I can find it, AWS ETH. You're gonna click right here and deposit, copy the address, go back to your MetaMask and you'll send it to the address right here. How much? You're gonna send all of it. You click next, approve the contract. You'll see right here it will be sending. Once you refresh the page, you will see right here your wallet will have X amount of money. If I scroll down here, it will show right here exactly that I have these tokens here. Then we go to yield farming, and now it's pretty simple. You just go on AWS ETH stake, just select how much you want to stake. I want to stake it all. You click stake it all, confirm. You see I confirmed, and now we'll be receiving the rewards in AWX. Again, AWX, I'll leave the contract address down below so you can add it to your MetaMask, and then you can swap it on QuickSwap or SushiSwap. I know you can swap it on both of them. You can see right here, I'm accumulating very fast my AWX right here, and then in 2 hours and 44 minutes, I will be able to harvest this AWX. So very, very cool. And again, this AWX I can use to buy more silver or more gold or more platinum and accumulate it in the vault card that they give you. So overall, APRs are very good. I am gonna leave this right here compounding, see how much I can make from it. And whenever they release the app for iOS, I'll catch back with you to see how the app works, how the vault works with the app. So this is going to be it for today's video. As you can see, this video was a little bit more complex with better editing. You can see new mic right here, new cable, so no more static. I hope so. I've tried so many times, so many takes to see if it was working, and it was working properly. So I'm glad this mic is no longer buzzing, making weird noises. But again, what do you guys think? Do you guys enjoy this kind of content a little bit more with better editing, the coffee break that I did? Let me know down in the comments. So the word for today is going to be coffee, just because I love coffee and I'm not at all addicted. Anyways, what do you guys think about this kind of investing? Bringing the old to the new way of investing. I personally enjoy it so much. I think it's a very, very great opportunity for everyone, especially to keep some of your capital protected in case of a market crash, like I was telling you in the beginning. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next episode. Peace.